Kelly?
But what's over here though? Wherever this is at, they don't look like a fair country. Really nice though.
Soup there, you know. You don't know they will cook soup, you know. Some chicken back soup. We are bad up in the day, night, yeah.
Well, when you say you come here, somebody text me, okay? I'm looking for a text.
Can't you see we're running out of time? Let's utilize my brothers and sisters. Answer the calling of the Father. He's the only one that's willing to save us divine. Get ready for a new time. I'm feeling new side. I think it shine bright.
What?
No. Alabama.
Well, go on, Tasha. What you deal with? A soap sat there today, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know the thing, man. Some chicken back soap, man. Water bubbly, and now I go throw the chicken in the pot. Look at that. It's a pumpkin, this is a mash out tonight, you know. Jamaica?
Atlantic.
Yeah?
Atlantic City.
That's alright. You don't season the chicken, please. Put it in the pot, wash it. Put it in the pot. Wash it first and then put it in the pot. And then you say, look at that. Some chicken back soap, you know? Yeah, man, share the live, man. Big up for the share. You don't know the top chef, we are going to wash this now.
That's a far drive, right?
Look at that, man.
Oh.
The distance. Oh, fuck it.
No, I can't though, but hold on, let me look somewhere else.
Come on, dice up here. This is going to melt out in the pot, you know. You see me? So we want to put this in first. Second after the chicken, you know.
This one can't stop saying that.
Yeah, man, we're there, you know. Yeah, man, dice up your pumpkin, you know. Showing the real way of to make soup, you know.
Watch your thoughts, they manifest activities of your thinking. And we are talking about the
Hollywood.
part of life.
Hollywood.
Them wonder
Why?
how we do this, them go.
Oh, this one.
Picture profit, but as my locks get longer, then heart it a twist. No spread no propaganda, cause you can't stop this. Now them up wonder how they get
You eat and hunger.
with the profit, but as my locks get longer, then heart it a twist. We no beg no fee, no sponsor, so no can't stop this. Just say, no about me, yes, and so me no business, I hold this up every nation. This you have to do, no man, no bad.
Alright. The chicken in the pot. Pumpkin in the pot. Supposed to be chocho. See it? It's called chocho, you see me I say? No, boiled pumpkin is not bitter, you know? Most likely it's sweet. Slightly. It's a chocho, you see me? I don't know the other name.
I forgot it. It's a bit when in the supermarket they used to come ask me.
What's this called? What's the real name for this? Somebody tell me in the comment right now. In my country we call it chocho. You see me? Chocho we call it in Jamaica, you see me? What you call this in your country?
Yeah, how you pronounce that? Somebody say Christopine Coyote. If I put Coyote.
Coyote?
Something like that.
Coyote, no. Well, next we have turnip. I don't know if you pronounce it, you know, chocho. I know it as chocho. But this is turnip. That one I know. Ups and downs. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
You gonna bite off your finger?
Inside. Yes, me people, we're there upon a Saturday night, soup night, you know. So we are going to call them night, yeah, soup night on Saturday. Next week we are going to do a next soup. But today, chicken back soup, you know, just like we used to do it. Just like how the ancestors used to cook it, you know. Jazzy Razzy. No, baby. Broken up. You can't be there. You want to get burned, baby? Anything wrong?
Who do I God save me from white man oppression? I have no white God. It's just a black messiah. If a white God that bless, so him not bless. I want what is right for mine, so I'm not stay mute. Your system is designed to be strong from the truth, but it will come to pass. I don't not to the youth.
Somebody said big king.
We will know the truth. We wipe that to place his slavery. The doctrine follow on.
Blaze, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, I hope next week you gotta work, you get a raise.
That's why
Sharon, what go on? A soup there, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know. And Shorty there in the kitchen, so we have bob up some soup. You know? And regroup. Some chicken soup, chicken back soup. Just like how the ancestors used to do it.
You want to put the spice in there?
Yeah. Kids them now go on like this.
Jazara? Come. Watch it, you want to get burned. Come. Say hi, baby. Somebody said that's a huge yam. It don't look big as hell.
Yeah, man, I want a big piece of yam, but I'm not going to use a lighter. Can use piece next time. What that?
That's how you know you're in JA. She said that's how I know you're in JA, but we're not there.
In a New York City, Bronx, New York, Mount Vernon, Murderville. Look at that.
Oh, you just said the yam is not so big up here.
Oh. Yeah, man, you have to search for them, you know?
Why you have cut the food so fine, somebody said?
Because the soup we are making, you know? That's how we make soup.
Where you get the yam?
In Food Bazaar. Supermarket called Food Bazaar in America.
It's a brand. Mount Vernon.
Mount Vernon.
Hey! Not in Texas. Oh.
You know, Texas? How is it in Texas?
Go give Diana a hug. Go. That's
It's
hot.
a turnip we are cut up, you know. So people, you know, tap up the screen and share the live, you know. The soup just start, you know. Let them know say a soup we have for dinner tonight. I'm sure now if you make it the Jamaican way, you know, just like how the ancestors used to do it back in the day. You see me I say? Wanna look and know?
Nobody want to play the card. Everybody wants to read the band. Who you want to play the song with this and next man? You are the big one where you run. Nobody want to play the card. Everybody want to read the band. I've seen you own a song, can't compete with Kelly's John. I was looking to start, just a little easier. So I know the big push that's full and can't them alive. Never take me serious, so many goals and tasks, what souls I pass.
Every day.
My Lord, I have to pray on my way. They never realize it's a little preparation. They put the unify, relieve the frustration. Instead they want to feed upon the bread of
Someone said,
did
you, oh, no, we don't got a movie yet.
No, never got a movie yet, star. I wait for the locks to reach.
Somebody said if you watch Colas TV
What
on
that?
YouTube before, they asked it.
What is that?
I don't know, I guess a channel, Colas TV.
What kind of channel is it? You just make carrot juice? Yeah man, that bad enough.
Someone said it's called, it's a cooking channel.
Oh, it's a cooking channel. You know, say, I don't really watch cooking channel, you know, the top chef, you know.
You tell them, say me and you are just surprised me time, but
Yeah. Now wait for the locks to reach. Yeah, I did.
what you said you would like that channel, so we're gonna check them out.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out. What your name?
Colas TV.
I'm gonna check it out.
AZ,
Save it. Screenshot me.
Lansing. Sometimes you give your hand out and you get nothing in return. Some people never seen the same
that was stuff me. I'm seeing shit.
whatever.
Alright, Carrot.
Keep talking to God, something you must get through. That's what I mean.
Yeah, because we have to go show them when we dress up here.
So people, me and Shorty are go to the movies and we are gonna dress up as me and Bob Marley. And she a Rita, you know. But I take the idea, you know. But the locks no reach yet, you know.
Oh, the person you talking about cooking the river, she said.
Oh, I think we see it before, man.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe we see it, man. I think so, man. What else going on this time? See that? Carrot, turnip, chocho. What's up, baby?
Did you cook liver? You cook liver before?
Yeah. But them liver up here, I don't really like the liver in America. I don't know why.
So what's that mean on your page? You kind of like liver? Yeah, me think I do liver.
That a kidney.
Oh, kidney.
Beef kidney, you know? That's great. That tastes so good. Alright, my people, we are going to put the chocho, the carrot and the turnip in the pot.
No, I rub some panars on.
Alright, my people. I make some flour dumpling, you know. Yeah, man, chocho, you know.
Just like spinners, babe.
Spinners.
Ow.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, buy it, man. You know, if you see it, man, it's good in a soup, you know. Buy it and you can cook this soup right now. Alright, next time. But we don't overdo it today. People on the in peace. Some caramel dumpling, isn't it? Good old days.
Observing everything.
Water. Yeah. Water, cornmeal, alright. Flour, cornmeal, and salt. And a little water. Catch the pot so it don't boil over, but it a bubble of trouble. You see me I say? Make sure your hand clean. You see me?
them with the city.
My name's it.
They packet them. Pass them real quick. All of them. Come ask them something.
Cock soup,
Ask them what they call it.
rooster soup. Rooster soup, it name.
You see people again?
You talking to me?
No, it's Gina.
And living beings. You wanna see what I want in there, huh? Guide over us. Yeah, man, need no flour, you see me? Yeah, man, big up, you know. Where your name? Suntide? It's a dumpling, you know? We'll make some dumpling right now, some cornmeal dumpling. We need it, you see me? So the flour. I make some spinners and some regular dumpling, you see me? Once more. See pot of bubble, trouble, you know. You go see it change colour, you know.
Oh, you read what I'm saying already?
Yeah.
It's like color scarlet pressure and roll when you make the dumpling them.
Oh, that's how you call it.
The channel that she's films about.
Oh, that then call it. They go, what the name, Colors?
Colors, I
They got Colors for YouTube, you know. Yeah, man.
Someone said I would love to see you put your spin on Aki and Sausage.
Yeah, we are doing it live.
Love the music, I'm a huge fan.
And heartbeat. Every stoplight at every street.
Susie said Jamaican in the house. Look up yourself.
Hmm?
Susie said she's a Jamaican in the house. So
Yeah, man, big up Susie, you know. You know what the thing going on. In this jungle. Yeah, man. Hmm?
I don't think I turned it off as soon as I got it.
Hmm.
I don't even know how to turn it off.
Yeah, man, we there, I need up the flour, you know. To England Station. I just good vibes and food, you know. You know, you have to eat good every day. Spinners this call, you know. Well, make one, come make one, eh? Come, make it like
You're
this.
gonna eat that.
Hold
Here.
your hand.
Here.
Well, make some spinners with the daddy girl.
Come here. What you do? What you do? to that. Bust it down.
April, what you deal with? Yeah, man, I hope the yam dry, you know? You see me, Susie? The damn man meal. Say, pata bubble. For the longest while.
No message ain't coming in.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Yeah, man. Eh?
Oh.
You know what?
Yeah, like you got message came in.
You check it out.
Oh, that's a 120.
The kitchen hot. Window no open, man. I'll crack the window real quick. Queen Tia, man. Yeah, man, for real, man. They've popped the window right now. The exhaust on, but forgot to open the window. I wait till me need up at the floor. Yeah. Alright. Next patient. A piece of yam, yeah? Big a piece of paper too. Tell me what people them are saying. We're there, you know. Who go see the Bob Marley movie already? #1 movie in America right now. What, the Bob Marley movie?
Someone said you should put in the yam for the flour.
That's how you do it, my friend. This is how I do it, you know.
Texas said, oh, that's why you just not. Yeah, because we didn't go see it yet.
Put the yam before or after, it no matter. Same soup, you know. Bankrupt. Journey. What's that bubble in a man, a trouble in a man.
of the vision and the next we see you and the hard line up in a bed. Sharing the filements all with the youths them work more than money and bread. Hear them press me, they tell them to reach the spread. We just come up to the stupid and dead. Babylon give you a right thing and you get your money. And then brainwash you on the western journey. Babylon give you a right thing and you get your money.
Next patient. It's a sweet potato now. Most people don't use it, but me use only one, you know. You make the soup slightly sweet. You see me? So you put one sweet potato in it.
Meet that had
Yeah, man. So, alright, look guys, you saw the soup change in color. So it's yellow now. That's the pumpkin, you know. Smell it. I'm going to take out to my water now, Rasta. Yeah man, wait patiently man, the food soon done, you know. Light bright, big up yourself, you know. Texas Princess, we are dealing with. Lumpo, thanks for the follow. You know what I mean? I will drop the can in it now. Yeah, respect like bright, you know. Thanks for the follow also, you know what I mean? Thank you. Alright, what's next guys? I have to level the heat look a while. Can't say. Yeah man, share the live with people. Tap up the screen. As long as you like the content. You know? Well appreciated. Thank you very much. I get rid of some of my water, you know? I bubble over.
So someone, oh you saw that earlier. You said the food was amazing. Your food was amazing.
So in case me need that again, you see me? Bust them in a four, you know?
It do smell good in here still. I can't wait to
Wash off your condom. Yeah, man, it smells nice, you know. Yeah. Turn up the stove and now, pot one bubble, trouble.
Oh, my Spanish? I don't know make sense to get on the so the big brain. When you say get the slow voice.
You will cut up myself over there, so I stop. Good, man. Scotch bonnet, you know what I mean? Chicken farmer, big up in there, you know what the thing, dog. Merlin, big up for the follow, you know. Hold on, how are you going to Okay, big up for the follow. Yeah, man, the pot up bubble, man. You man, take off them thing here, you know? Wash them off. Yeah, man, have some good vibes. Yeah, man, chicken farmer. Really sting yourself for a while, you know? Just crush it up. Drop it in there. Make sure the hand clean. Every knee. Alright, get some time. Put your time in there. Pepper, just wash it off. Don't cut it or nothing, you know. me I say, see the pot? Look at that. Yeah man, you don't know where I go put this in it next, you know? With some flavor. Yeah man, you don't know, keep the area clean, you know? Yeah, go a bit more.
As much as we like to get. And imagine if you were good girl,
Oh, blow up Pierre Road. Blow up Pierre Road, girl. Yes, my people, the soup soon done, you know. What go on night chat, you know? It's a cute knife set. Yeah, man, it bad. Yeah, man, light bright. I do straight good vibes, man, and food, you know. Straight love. Renita, big up yourself, you know. Clouds and sky. I send you back 3 heart. I just send you back 3 heart. You see me?
What you think this? Oh. So, what's the name of this on this? What's this called, babe?
Rooster flavored.
What's the name of this?
Rooster flavored.
You see rooster flavor on this?
Rooster flavor that. I don't know what you want to say, but I see rooster flavor. Place smell good, man. Honey baby, big up, you know. For the follow, you know, you don't know the thing going on. But I don't like the no-good them, isn't it? You know, I cook, make sure I'm clean, you know. That's all. Yeah, man, we're making some chicken soup, you know. Just like how the ancestors used to do it back in the day. Isn't it? This Jamaican soup, you know? I don't like the noodles, that's why I do this right now, but you can just throw everything in the pot. Alright. Oh, you do that, D, you do that too? Yeah, man. Healing soul, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, I saw me do it, man. You know, like the noodle, them, man. You know, I make Roman noodle soup. Isn't it? I don't want one noodle in the soup. Jaja. April. You know what the thing going on? When you say April, pull it up. Now you big up in Natasha, you know what the thing going on. Yeah, man, healing soul, I'm a god, you know. I'm a god in the kitchen. Look at that. Too nice and thick. Alright, look at the color, you know. I didn't put anything in it, you know. See it come out nice and, yeah. And some chicken back in there, you know. Chicken back soup.
Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of the Almighty. He's the living legend of this Iowa, conquering lion of the tribe of Judah.
So season it, you know. Turn it up back. We'll go on the chat. Some chicken soup, you know, chicken back soup. We have chicken in it. We have pumpkin, turnip, chocho, dumpling, yam, sweet potato. You see me I say, and we season it with some scallion, thyme, pimento bean. And we are going to flavor it up with the soup mix, you know, in a few. And let it cook down, and then you know say I eat that. When you say look good, yeah man, it look nice, man, it nice, it a go nice. Chicken farmer, big up yourself, you know. Martha Kitchen, big up yourself, 516. You know the thing going on. Coco Benji, you don't know the thing going on. Everything nice, you know. So this is the real way how our ancestors used to make soup, you know. We didn't use any noodles or any, you know, ramen noodles, none of that. We use stuff straight from the earth, you know what I mean? You could have a natural soup too, you know what I mean? If you didn't have any chicken, we would call that a sip. That's natural soup, just all the ingredients from the earth, you know what I mean? Excluding even the flour. You see me I say? Next week we're going to make a different soup. Maybe some red pea soup with some pig's tail, you know what I mean? Yeah man, Father Dan, big up yourself, you know. You don't know the thing go. Yeah man. Texas Princess, you know the thing go already, you know. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, Light Bright. Go to Jamaica, man. It's very nice. People treat you like a goddess. Yeah, man, make sure you know follow the page, you know. Bandy Dundee, you know. That I'm a shorty page, you know. Big up for the follow, you know, Texas Princess. You know the thing going, you know. Pot of bubbly, you know, a trouble, you know. Rastafari never go low. Fire burn, JD, bloodshed, been more and more.
I still get a fight, though I'm living pure. See war and crime like a
Scholar boy.
one time get file, they have no more. They will take us hard, yet them still ignore. Rastafari is life, and left is some shore. Fire red flames hotter than before. Burn them complete from crust to core.
Life seeds I saw,
From dirty
Babylon a berry.
as cool as a breeze I a flower. So I re-marry to perfection like sleep like a journey.
Rastafari never go low.
From the burn, can you dreading? Heights of the flames of fled for you. Natural lights golden. Children beware, but the love of fire. Blood sucking cannibal being. Start from criticize Rastafari. Heights universal stream. Fire burn, burn in first time. Oh man, I have vision, they no dream. They want to replace life in graves and business places.
Alright, add some water to your soup mix. So you know lump up when you put it in the pot, you see me? Let's mix it up. You see me? You do this so it don't, you know, lump up in the pot. Life seeds I saw, born dirty Babylon a berry.
Cool as a breeze, I a flower.
So alien.
To perfection like cheese.
Yeah man, April, you don't know the thing going on Jamaica nice man. Texas Princess, where you going with? You have to roll up. Red hot. Alright, we are seasoning the pot now. They can kill you once, but they can kill you twice. They are not of the Antichrist. Exist before the earth. Our windows to the world. Can't go as I am and now we are Jerry Curl. Light Bright, don't mix it, don't miss it next time, Light Bright, don't miss it out next time. Yeah man, big up, you know, Texas Princess. You don't know, you know, good vibes, you know. Right now, me know you're in the sky, flying. I want to taste it to see if it's good. You see me? Sometimes you want some more salt, you know. Fear is in the eye of the beholder. The love maker. Endure much longer. Oh my God. You know what? Nothing else. Careful how you entertain strangers. And that go and bubble up, look more, you know, cook out the seasoning, you know. You are the ruler. Chicken back soup, you know. Dacia. Chicken back soup, you know. With some pumpkin and all of them good stuff there, you know. Yeah man, some nice soup, you know. Make sure you go follow the YouTube channel, you know. Nadia, big up yourself, Nadia. Yeah man, some nice chicken back soup. So a pot of bubble, a trouble. Soup down, you know. Just make it cook out the seasoning, you know. You want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, say? Top Chef down the place, man, YouTube. Get all of the full recipe them over there, you know. And follow that page, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Fish stew. Yeah, man. We bad pan that, man. But if you haven't visited Jamaica as yet, people, you're missing out right now. Your next ship, send it to Jamaica. And tell me how it going, you know? Lumpo, big up yourself, you know. Good night, you know. Big up yourself, you don't know what you know. Soup done, you know. Trouble, you know. Eh? Hmm? Yeah man, soup down, you know. Yeah man, I swear man. Pepper pot. Yeah man, me tried pepper pot before, you know, it's nice, you know. Yeah man, pepper pot sound nice. You everything I've got. Yeah, take out them things, you know. Of today, where you're from. Oh, paper box in my head. I gave you everything I've got. Now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock, baby. Everything I've got. Now you're coming back. It seems like you're running out of stock, baby. You never know what tomorrow brings. Yes, my people, soup done, pot ready. And just a share out a small pot, isn't it? With one piece of everything. One can. Mama. Oh mama. Yes, my people. Make sure you now follow the Top Chef, you know. You see me? Now we reach the end of the video. You see me? I said the chicken back soup done. You see me? I give you a close up look, you know what I mean? Alright, you see what I go on? Rich and nice, you see me? Look at that. You see me I say? We have a dumpling in there too, you know. We have a chicken back right there, so. Meat and them thing there. Yeah man, that's how we do it, man. We have a dumpling. Look at that. Yeah man, the pot ready, man. You see me in the pot now? Show you what I go on in the pot. Looking at the pot. See that? Lovely, ain't it? Wish me could have given you a plate right now. Tasha, big up yourself, you know. Texas Princess, you know the thing going on. Yeah, man. At the Top Chef, man. Overdid it again. Big up on yourself, you don't know it reach at the end of the show. Yeah, man. Big up everybody. Jost, big up for the follow, you know. Everybody when you follow, click the follow button because we're done right now until tomorrow again. You don't know a Sunday time, Sunday dinner. Texas Princess, you know the thing go. See you tomorrow, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know. We're gone. Take a last look. You see me? Big up mama, you know. On me now. Jost, big up yourself, it's soup. You want some? Yeah, man, bless up, bless up. Big up, you know, Jost. Tomorrow we'll link up again. We'll cook some Sunday dinner, you see me? We out. Hi, mama. April, that tune here for you, you know. Big up all the mothers out there. Tasha, that one here for you, you know, especially, you know. You know? Nadia. New York with it. We're in the Bronx, Mount Vernon. For the night. Why? Yeah. All those pains and suffering. Yo, we're gone. Big up everybody. We out. Enough love. One love.